We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can undownload songs on Apple Music. So on an iPhone you will need to launch settings, here find and enter the music category, here it is, then go into the downloaded music section, edit, and now you can undownload or remove certain songs, or if you would like to undownload the entire library, or at least all the songs that you have cached, tap over here, delete, and that will be it. As you can see, the download music is now equals to 0 kilobytes, so no music is currently downloaded. And as you can see, the downloaded icons in front of all my songs have disappeared, so success. On an Android phone, on the other hand, you will need to launch the Apple Music app itself, then go into its settings, here find the downloaded music and open this page, and from here the procedure is somewhat the same. Select the edit option and now you can either undownload certain songs or you can undownload all your library at once. As you can see, now there is no downloaded music at all. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.